Get ready to discover the amazing health benefits of matcha, the vibrant green superfood. Originating from the heart of Japan, this finely ground powder is more than just a tea. It's a centuries-old tradition, a symbol of culture, and a beacon of health and wellness. As its popularity grows, so does our curiosity. How does this vibrant green powder pack such a powerful health punch? What makes it different from other teas? These are the questions we're about to explore. So, what exactly is matcha? Matcha is a form of green tea that originates from Japan. With a history steeped in the traditional Japanese tea ceremony, the production of matcha is an art form unto itself. Unlike regular green tea where the leaves are steeped and then discarded, matcha involves the grinding of shade-grown tea leaves into a fine powder. This shade-grown process increases the chlorophyll levels in the leaves, giving matcha its vibrant green color and its unique nutrient profile. The meticulous care taken in growing and harvesting matcha is what sets it apart from other teas. The tea bushes are covered for about 20 to 30 days before harvest to avoid direct sunlight. This slows down growth, turns the leaves a darker shade of green, and increases the production of amino acids. After harvesting, the leaves are carefully steamed, dried, and stone ground into the fine, bright green powder we know as matcha. But what makes matcha so beneficial for health? Let's find out. Matcha is a nutritional powerhouse packed with a variety of nutrients. This vibrant green powder is a treasure trove of health-boosting compounds that include antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. At the heart of its benefits are potent antioxidants known as catechins, which are believed to be responsible for many of matcha's health properties. Notably, matcha is rich in a specific catechin called EGCG, or epigallocatechin gallate, renowned for its potential to fight disease. But the goodness doesn't stop there. Matcha also boasts a good dose of L-theanine, a rare amino acid that promotes relaxation and reduces stress, all without inducing drowsiness. Let's not overlook the vitamins. Matcha is a good source of vitamin C, a nutrient known for its immune-boosting properties. Plus, it's packed with minerals like potassium, calcium, and iron. So, as you sip your cup of matcha, know that you're fueling your body with a cocktail of nutrients that promote overall well-being. These nutrients contribute to the many health benefits of matcha. The health benefits of matcha extend from boosting energy and focus to supporting heart health. Starting with the energy boost, matcha contains a unique combination of caffeine and L-theanine, an amino acid that promotes calm and focus. Unlike coffee, which can often lead to a jittery energy spike followed by a crash, the caffeine in matcha releases slowly over several hours. This provides a steady, gentle lift, perfect for those mid-afternoon slumps or early morning wake-ups. But it's not just about energy. L-theanine also supports mental clarity and concentration. It's like a mindfulness session in a cup, helping to keep your mind sharp and your thoughts clear. Think of it as your secret weapon for productivity and focus, whether you're studying, working, or simply navigating a busy day. Moving on to metabolism and weight management, matcha is known for its potential to rev up the metabolism and increase fat oxidation. Some studies suggest that drinking matcha can help increase the body's rate of burning calories, which could be a supportive element in weight management strategies. But the benefits of matcha don't stop there. It's a bona fide antioxidant powerhouse, packed with catechins like EGCG, which are known to fight against oxidative stress in the body. These antioxidants have potential anti-aging effects and can help protect against a variety of health problems. Matcha also has a calming effect, thanks to that wonderful amino acid, L-theanine. It promotes relaxation and stress reduction without causing drowsiness. So if you're feeling a bit wound up, a cup of matcha might just be the answer. And lastly, heart health. Research suggests that matcha may help lower LDL cholesterol and triglyceride levels. The antioxidants in matcha can also benefit cardiovascular health, contributing to the overall wellness of your heart. In short, this vibrant green superfood is a well-rounded health booster, offering a range of benefits from mental clarity to heart health. But how can you incorporate matcha into your diet? Drinking matcha tea is the most traditional way to consume it, but there are plenty of other delicious options. When it comes to preparing matcha tea, there's a bit of an art to it. First, you'll want to sift your matcha to remove any clumps. Then, add a small amount of hot but not boiling water and whisk it until it becomes a smooth paste. Finally, add more hot water and whisk until frothy. If you're looking for a bit of a twist, why not try a matcha latte? Simply add your matcha paste to warm milk of your choice. sweeten it to taste, and voila! A creamy, dreamy treat that's good for you too. Beyond beverages, matcha can easily be incorporated into your meals. For breakfast, consider a matcha smoothie or matcha pancakes. For a midday boost, how about a matcha energy ball? And let's not forget desserts. Matcha cookies, matcha ice cream, matcha cakes. The possibilities are endless. And if you're worried about the caffeine, don't be. While matcha does contain caffeine, it's balanced by the presence of L-theanine, which promotes a calm and focused state of mind. So you'll get the pick-me-up without the jitters. Remember, quality matters. Always look for high-grade, pure matcha powder to ensure you're getting the most out of this vibrant green superfood. So, are you ready to make matcha a part of your healthy lifestyle? We've journeyed through the world of matcha, exploring its origins, nutritional value, and health benefits. Our journey began in the lush green tea fields where matcha originates, and we've learned how this vibrant green powder differs from your regular cup of green tea. We've delved into its rich nutritional profile, understanding the wealth of antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals it contains. We've seen how matcha boosts energy and focus, supports metabolism and weight management, and acts as an antioxidant powerhouse. We've explored how it enhances relaxation and stress reduction, and even supports heart health. We've also shared some tips on how to incorporate this superfood into your daily routine. In essence, matcha is not just a tea, it's a lifestyle change, a commitment to better health and well-being. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of matcha. We encourage you to discover the vibrant green superfood for yourself.